Hey guys, I'm JC and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share this easy chicken wings for dinner or lunch with only few ingredients. For the ingredients, you'll need ginger, spring onions, and a little bit more than a pound of wings. I decided to make this dish using a rice cooker. However, this dish can be cooked by putting all ingredients into a pot. First, we're going to cut up the spring onions and also the ginger. Transfer the wings, ginger, and spring onions into the rice cooker pot. Let's add the sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Place a cookie sheet like this. Now if you're going to cook the wings in a pot, first bring the wings to boil and then cook low heat for 30 to 40 minutes or until the wings are tender.